Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this week's tutorial, we'll be having a look at three types of evidence. Firstly, hearsay evidence, then we'll be moving on to opinion evidence, as well as character evidence.
Hearsay evidence is information gathered by one person from another person concerning some event in which the first person had no direct experience in.
In short, the person testifying did not experience the incident through one of their own senses. Hearsay evidence is generally not admissible. This is because the witness does not know for a fact that the incident took place.
The witness is rather relying on information gathered from someone else's recollection or experience and who is not present to be cross-examined.
There are certain exceptions to the rule, and hearsay evidence can be allowed in the following scenarios.
The person against whom the evidence is to be used agrees to the admission thereof, or where the person who witnessed the incident will also be testifying later.
Where it is in the interest of justice that evidence be admitted, or where the evidence is supported by independent evidence.
Opinion evidence is evidence based on what a witness thinks, believes, or infers from a set of facts. This should be distinguished from personal knowledge of the facts themselves.
Opinion evidence will only be admissible where the person giving that evidence is qualified to do so.
Qualified in this regard refers to a person due to their qualifications and experience, and whom is in a better position than the chairperson to draw an inference from a set of facts.
It is, however, still the duty of the Commissioner to make sure that the inference drawn is logical in accordance with the explanation given.
Character evidence is any testimony or document submitted to prove that a person acted in a particular way on a particular occasion based on that person's character or disposition.
An employer cannot rely on character evidence in order to have a commissioner make a ruling in his or her favour.
If an employee, however, tenders evidence in regards to their good character, an employer is allowed to bring evidence to refute this.
That's all we have time for today. Please feel free to share and to like this video.
And join us next time for our final installment in the series.